Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about a very important hyperparameter that is present in almost all the LLMs, that is temperature. So you must have seen in most of the examples tutorials that are given online, temperature is equals to zero. So I'll be telling you what is the use of temperature and how to play around with it. So basically, temperature is that parameter that helps you generate the text and determines the randomness or or the deterministic approach of the model. So basically, if the temperature is zero, the model will be giving you an output according to the probabilities that it has got. So eventually, if a word a big has got the highest probability, eventually that would be coming into your output. But if you play around with the temperature, eventually words that doesn't have the highest probability might also be start coming into your output. This is because of introduction of randomness. So while if you want to have some creative solution for your answer, eventually you can play around the temperature. In this tutorial I will be showing you how temperature affects your output. So let's get started. So here what I'm done, I'm using langchain for now. So in OpenAI, the LM I'm loading, I'm setting the temperature equals to 0 for now, and then asking the question how to make tea. So if you look into the answer is quite straightforward, and it doesn't include any sort of randomness as such. It is telling you all the correct steps. Now moving ahead, I'm increasing this temperature by zero point 0.5. Right. So the range of temperature for OpenAI is from 0 to 2, where if we go as high towards 2, you will see a lot of randomness that I will be showing you. So when zero point 0.5 has come in, eventually you don't see a lot of random stuff coming in. But now temperature equals to 1. Now he will start seeing some sort of randomness in the answers. The answer will start uh, giving gibberish words also. So see the first sentence. Fill your tea kettle. There is no space. It's a single word that the model has outputted for now. Rest of the things looks fine, still fine, but here the model has started showing some randomness. Eventually, in your answer, you can see some gibberish words have started coming. Now, keeping the temperature 1.5, here you will see some words that you haven't seen before. Until plexis. In the first sentence, you can see remove laws done. He hunted. Leftovers, Ulias Navota dive, whatever some shit garbage text has started coming out. And when going to temperature equals to 2, here you can see that the answer is completely shit. So in this way, you can understand that how temperature fluctuate. Playing around a temperature can improve your answer, or also degrade your answer. So if you want to have some creative thoughts, in such case, playing a little around temperature can be really helpful. But as you saw that keeping very high values of temperature can be disastrous.